Hello everyone. How to make all cells the same size in Excel. First, click the little triangle in the top left corner of the sheet. You'll see all the row and column labels turn green. Now right-click on any column and choose Column Width. Type in the value you want, hit OK, or just press Enter, and all the columns will be the same width. Do the same thing with the rows. When you're done, just click anywhere in the sheet to deselect everything. Now, all the cells in the entire spreadsheet have the same dimensions. You can also do this by hovering your mouse between two columns or two rows. When the resize cursor shows up, hold down the left mouse button and drag left or right or up and down until you get the size you want. But the first option is more precise. And that's it. If this helped, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you next time.